This AI tool automated my entire social media, 10 plus platforms. This AI tool just automated my entire social media across 10 platforms. Let me show you how it works. First, connect all your accounts in one dashboard. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, everything. No more switching between apps. AI content creation. Next, type any topic and watch this. The AI just created engaging captions for every platform. Different tone for each one automatically. Bulk scheduling, 025 to 035. Then upload one spreadsheet. And boom, 50 posts scheduled across 5 platforms. This used to take me 6 hours. Automation magic, 035 to 045. But here's the crazy part. Every Instagram reel I post automatically goes to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. Create once, post everywhere. Results and CTA, over 31,000 creators are using this, saving 10 plus hours per week, 14-day free trial in my bio. Stop wasting time on manual posting. Let AI handle your social media. Link below, down.